So right now it's Sunday fun day. We out here, man like Kizzy and obviously Carlos.
Sunday fun day again.
Carlos is constantly out here just living pit bike lifestyle right now.
4 hours sleep.
4 hours sleep. He's been up filming for Red Bull and shit. We're about to go find a new spot today because we've been rinsing the last spots, man. Time is of the essence today as well because summer is officially done. It gets dark at 4:30 now as the clocks went back, innit?
Yeah.
So it's peak, we've got limited hours, but we're gonna make the most of that shit, man. Stay tuned to see the new spot. So right now we are in where?
Sean Mead.
You heard him. I ain't even gonna try and say where he said. But basically, yeah, Ree fucked my helmet up yesterday. Hold this. Love G. Ree mashed up my helmet yesterday, yeah. So now I don't think I can have the GoPro on my helmet. So today it's actually gonna have to stay on Carlos's head. So your view today is gonna be from Carlos, not me. What you saying? You ready?
I'm ready. Let's get it.
About to strap this helmet, this GoPro onto this helmet over here.
Put it on, boy.
Helmet with a helmet and all that, and then we gon' blow out.
Concrete there as well.
I've been there before with Dog Father.
But that little track thing's all the way up there, isn't it?
This is pretty sick. If it wasn't as foggy,
I know.
sick.
Alright, so as you just see, yeah, we have found a new spot. Might be old to you lot, but it's new to us. So yeah, it's lit. If this place weren't so boggy, there's like tracks over there and shit, as you just see.
Imagine how on a summer's day.
Yeah, trust, it'd be lit. Not gonna lie, this is the spot when it starts drying up. They definitely need a jet wash today. Look at that shoe. Alright, look. Oh, this one, watch this one. Look, yeah. Soaking, mate. Lucky I bought a full set of spare clothes in the van. Think me a dunce. Nah, bro, I come prepared. But yo, check the views though, it's lit. Hey, what's that over there?
Quarry thing. So I was just looking at how far can we go. Little abandoned building here.
Aye.
Bridge to cross.
Aye, I dare someone right now to ride through that sludge.
What sludge?
The sludge, the thing that looks like water but it's not water.
No way.
That's sand. That's sludge right there. So you're not about it?
No, your bike will be bloody sunk.
Yeah, bro.
These man are shook. I might send it. Do I send it or nah? Nah. I think we'll give these bikes a bit more life. I feel like I may lose a bike if I go and try that. That looks sick, isn't it? You saying you man's flooded your things? Is yours working still?
Yeah, mine's running. It's running the rough, but it's still going.
Have you fucked it, Kizzy?
Every time I rev it, it cuts off.
Kizzy fucked it, mate.
here then. Man's pushing it. Kizzy is a weak rider. He had to push his bike up the hill. Jump. Alright, get a video. Someone get a phone video for me. I get more speed though. One wheel slidey. Hey, we outside with it though. That's how you send it. That's how you fucking send it. Hey, that was a send though, wasn't it?
That's more speed than you probably said it.
That was Kizzy's fault still.
Allow it.
Man can't full throttle. No, I'm doing that again still. I landed so calm, I don't think you understand. Alright, that was nuts. So you're gonna try again, yeah? Round 2. Okay, and we actually have a little wheelie strip here on the fucking water. How's that? Whoa! I just nearly went through there. That would have been peak. Okay, Kizzy. Go on, no. Let me see some circles. Aye, bring the bike higher. First rev, bring it higher. Straight on the brake. Yeah. Look, hold this. Let me show you something. No, watch this. Yeah. See how high I bring it straight away. Woo! I tried a little circle floor touch there.
That was hard still.
Alright, quick Wavey's wheelie school with Kizzy. He looked like he had it there, innit? Yes. No. Oi, always lean in. When you feel like you're gonna get thrown out, lean in. Yes, Kizzy.
I'm gonna get that before we go. I'm just gonna get a one little floor touch. I have to, innit? Ooh, sketchy one. No, hey, that don't count. That don't count. I'm moving like a real worm today, man.
Worming.
I don't know why I'm moving like a worm today, bro.
Yeah.
But yo, I'm worming real hard right now with the fucking wheelies. I think I need to take one of these bikes to a strip, innit? What do you lot think? Shall I take the pit bikes out on a wheelie day to like the wheelie strip or something? Let me know in the comments, innit? Because I think I need to get busy on these bikes, get used to them, bro. Because I cannot wheelie them for shit right now. Look, even Kizzy's putting me to shame. So today has been hella eventful. Two bikes flooded. Kizzy flooded his first.
Yeah, straight away.
Then Carlos flooded his one. I don't know where the fuck Carlos has gone. But what the hell are you doing? Oh shit. Look at this dickhead, bro. He actually made me jump there, mate. Basically, I think this is the end of the vlog. We're gonna go load up the bikes, get back to the ends, and dry off. I need a hot shower, bro. Look, my shoes, yeah? Don't know if you lot can see that, but that is how it is. It's peak. But you see me? I bought a spare change of clothes in the van, socks and all that.
I done fucked up.
He done fucked up. I think he fucked up too. But it's cool though. Really, I hope you lot enjoyed this one. This place is sick. Definitely gonna be coming back here soon. Look at that plane. The plane was all doing flips. Don't know if you lot see that in the background. You might even see that in the background. But yeah, man, we definitely coming back here again, 100%. It's lit.
No, we need to still.